What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Takko Friends on your phone. So as you can see guys, I'm on my Android phone. I'm going to open up the Play Store here, and you want to go ahead and click on apps and check to see if it's in the top charts. If you're not able to find it in the top charts, then you want to go ahead and use the search. So all you have to do is simply type in Takko, which is Takko, and you will see the Takko Friends app. You can just simply tap on one of them and you will find Takko Friends, right? So this is definitely the this is the application guys, Takko Friends. You can tap on it, you can see it, you can read about it, and if you're satisfied you can go ahead and install, right? This is a very popular lifestyle and shopping app, so you can go ahead and test it out, and if you like it, I'm sure that you will find it beneficial. So it's very fast to download and install, as you can see there. Once it is done, tap on open, and you will need to fill out a few details. Keep in mind that it is available in a few regions, so you just need to ensure that you choose the one that works for you. So if you're in Germany, if you're in Austria, if you're in Netherlands, if you're in the Czech Republic, if you're in Italy, wherever it is that you are, you can go ahead and select that option that works for you. So I'm going to choose, for example, this option right here, then click on next. And from here, you just want to wait for the application to load, follow the process, sign in, and you will be able to have Takko Friends on your phone. But that's pretty much it guys. From here, it's pretty much straightforward. Thank you guys for watching.